In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Wesker on console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you console-specific tips so you can play Wesker on Dead by Daylight on any platform. Now, Wesker can be a strong killer on the console versions of Dead by Daylight. However, it is going to require some adjustments compared to playing him on PC. He is definitely easier on PC, however, that doesn't mean that he is unplayable on console. So to master Wesker's Dash Virulent Bound, first check your sensitivity. While flicks, which are quick aiming adjustments, are a strong Wesker technique on PC, they're trickier to pull off on console, so consider bumping up your sensitivity settings. When you go over to the game options menu, you will be able to bump it up to around 80 to 100% to give yourself more control during the dashes. Experiment to find what is comfortable for you and don't worry about leaving your comfort zone. Now, another thing is prediction over precision. Since aiming with a controller can be less precise than a mouse, focus on trying to predict the survivor movements rather than aiming perfectly for every dash. Look for opportunities to cut them off or dash through areas they're likely to run towards. Finally, open areas are going to be your best bet. Wesker excels in chasing survivors in open areas where they have less room to maneuver, so always use your dash to quickly close the gap and land hits. When it comes to the perk selection, prioritize perks that help with chases. Perks like Brutal Strength, which helps break the pellets faster, and Bamboozle, which blocks windows after vaulting. They can be very effective since they counter common survivor tactics during chases, and consider perks that help with tracking, since aiming can be trickier on console. Perks like Infectus Fright, which reveals a survivor location after a successful hit, can be helpful for tracking them down. So basically, it all boils down to trying to bump up your sensitivity a little bit more than you're comfortable with to help with those flicks and quick aiming. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Wesker on console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.